Bangladesh-Pakistan T20 series squad news. The Bangladesh Cricket Board (BCB) has named an unchanged Bangladeshi squad for the upcoming three-match T20 series against Pakistan. Bangladesh, under the leadership of charismatic wicketkeeper batter Liton Kumar Das, recently piped host Sri Lanka by a 2-1 margin in the island nation. Liton will be accompanied by fellow senior pros like Taskin Ahmed, Mustafizur Rahman and Mehdi Hassan Miraz in the team. The series between Pakistan and host Bangladesh will be played between July 20 and July 24 in Dhaka. Bangladesh squad: Liton Kumar Das, Tanjeed Hassan Tamim, Parvez Hussain Emon, Naeem Sheikh, Tawheed Hridoy, Zakir Ali Onik, Shamim Patwari, Mehdi Hassan Miraj, Rishad Hossain, Nasum Ahmed, Sheikh Mehdi, Saifuddin, Shariful Islam, and Tanzim Hassan Shakib. Also, two pacer Mustafizur Rahman and Taskin Ahmed. Thanks for enjoying this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe button and follow button.